Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many of you might have faced: AC circuit breaker tripping. Don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot and fix this annoyance. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about a potential culprit for your AC circuit tripping: the bad circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an essential safety device that protects your electrical system from overload or short circuits. Over time, these breakers can wear out or become faulty. When a circuit breaker goes bad, it can cause your AC circuit to trip frequently, disrupting your comfort. So, what's the solution? Well, it's relatively simple. You'll need to replace the faulty breaker with a new one. Make sure to turn off the power to the circuit before attempting any replacement. If you're not confident doing it yourself, it's always best to seek professional help from an experienced electrician. Moving on to our next potential issue: an overloaded compressor or fan motor. These components play a vital role in the functioning of your AC system. If they become overloaded, they can strain your electrical circuit excessively, leading to tripping. To fix this problem, you'll first want to check if the compressor or fan motor is dirty or clogged. If so, give them a good cleaning to ensure proper airflow. Additionally, make sure they are well lubricated as per the manufacturer's recommendations. If the issue persists, it's best to contact a professional HVAC technician who can diagnose and resolve any deeper issues with your system. Finally, let's talk about refrigerant pressure issues, a common cause of AC circuit tripping. If the refrigerant levels are too low or too high, your AC system may experience irregular cooling cycles, resulting in excessive power consumption and, you guessed it, a tripped circuit breaker. To fix this, it's essential to have your refrigerant levels checked and maintained by a certified HVAC technician. They can diagnose any leaks, repair them, and ensure that the pressure is at the correct level, keeping your AC system running smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. We've covered 3 key reasons why your AC circuit breaker may be tripping. Remember, if you're facing any persistent issues, contacting professionals like Anthem Heating and Air is always smart. Don't let a tripped circuit breaker spoil your comfort. Take action today and contact the experts at Anthem Heating and Air. Our skilled technicians are ready to diagnose and resolve any AC issues you might have. Stay cool and enjoy the comfort you deserve.